What's going on, guys? It's Jay and I just bought some new lighting equipment. After doing tons of research on YouTube, I came across a reviewer who recommended these lights to me. These lights are sold on Amazon and they are Neewer lights. This light kit has 2 LED lights, 2 stands, and 2 soft boxes. Without further ado, let's get into the cinematic unboxing. Ready? Here we go. 1, woo! And 2, yeah! Glad we're all satisfied. As you can see, the lighting right now is not ideal. This is my home light. It's a tungsten light above you right now, and that's emitting some yellow light on top of me. So what we're gonna try to do with these lights, and I'm gonna actually put a rim light behind me that is also Neewer that my brother bought for me. And we're gonna see if we can pull me forward and take away some of that yellow light. The camera is also on auto white balance, so we'll see how that picks it up. But right now it's pretty yellow and we're gonna see if we can change that. So without further ado, here we go.
All right, so now I've got the lights on their stands. They're both set up. This is gonna be my key and this is likely gonna be my fill, or vice versa. And we're gonna see how it looks.
So as you can see, I've set up my lights right now. We're working with a 2-point setup. I've turned off the lights above, and just to camera right to my left is my key light. That is the brightest light. It's about 6 feet away from me, maybe even closer. And I've turned it down to about 4,300 Kelvin. And to my right is the fill light. It's pretty dim, just to fill in a little bit of the shadow side of my face. And it's also set to 4,300 Kelvin because you want the same color balance on each of your lights. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my rim light, or my backlight, and that is gonna show some definition right here, a little bit of highlight. It has a dimmer, but it doesn't have the white balance feature, so it's kind of whatever, but it looks pretty good, so I'll turn it on right now. All right, so I turned on all 3 lights right now. We have the 3-point setup. As you can see, there's a little bit of highlight right there on the side of my face. Like I said, I can't control the Kelvin range on that one, but it does create some nice definition on my shoulder and on my head. If I'd like to, like I said, these Neewers that I bought in this kit can control their Kelvin range, so I'm gonna go ahead and make them a little bit warmer right now. Maybe I'll turn this one off, maybe I won't, just because it's more white than the other ones will be. All right, so I've turned it down to 3,500 Kelvin now. Both of these lights are on. Let me go ahead and turn on the rim light. So as you can see, it is still kind of like a whiter light. These are a little bit more soft, a little bit more orange, warmer tones. That one, like I said, is not controllable and does not come with the kit. I'm just using it to show off this whole package a little bit more that I got going on. All right, so now I've set my 2 Neewer lights up to be at their lowest Kelvin rating, which is 3,200 Kelvin, and they are pretty warm. I'm actually kind of happy with how this image looks. It's a little bit more orange than what you originally had, but if you're going for more of an oranger look, these definitely can take care of that for you. I didn't mess with the dimming on either of the settings. This one's still at its highest rating, and this one's pretty low. But this looks pretty good. So if you're looking for more of an oranger, warm look, they can definitely handle that. And that's all I got for you. As I said before, these Neewer lights are awesome, and the fact that they come in one bundle on Amazon makes the process even more awesome. You have the light stands, you have the soft boxes, and you have the lights themselves, all for the price of under $200. And if you want to upgrade a little bit further and get that 3-point lighting setup, you can get that rim light. It's a CN160, I believe, also made by Neewer, and it's about $25 to $30 on Amazon. I'll also link it to this video along with these lights. P.S. Here's one more look you can get. You can go ahead and turn off your fill light, and that's gonna cause more shadow on this side of my face. I've left the key light at 3,200 Kelvin, so it's pretty orange. If I wanted to make it even harsher or even a darker shadow, I could come closer to the light, which is making me closer to the camera too. But as you can see, there's more shadow right here. You can even dip into the cheek shadow if you really want to get there. And then behind me here, that is where I stuck the CN160, the small $20 light that I told you about. And that is creating a rim on the top of my head, maybe even on the side if I move side to side. Now you gotta be careful with this if you're shooting something and your character or your subject is moving and they go whoop, now all of a sudden there's a light in the shot. But if I stand kind of right here and I'm just gonna be kind of stagnant and stand still, you can just see it has a nice little hair light right there, and it just kind of like shapes my head real nice. So if you want to get a more cinematic look, a more dark, more shadowy, this is exactly what you can do. You can turn out that fill light and just kind of play with the shadows and make it fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. As I said before, my name is Jay, and you can follow me on this page. If you got some helpful tips out of this, please let me know. Comment below, DM me, do whatever you need to do. I'm so excited to get these lights out in the field and get creative with them. I hope you do too. Thanks.